Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's see how to make a healthy breakfast smoothie recipe that will kickstart our day with a burst of nutrition and flavor. It's a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help boost our immune system and promote overall well-being. For this smoothie, we have a power-packed combination of whole oats for fiber, cinnamon powder, blueberries that provide essential vitamins, and flax seed powder, melon seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, raisins, ripe banana, coconut milk, soaked almonds, homemade peanut butter. Also, I have taken spinach leaves, a few mint leaves and cherry for garnishing. Also, I have taken 1/2 cup of apple slices. So, let's prepare the power-packed smoothie. To start with, let's add a ripe banana. Next goes in apples and blueberries that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We also add whole oats for fiber. Raisins, soaked almonds are very helpful in brain development, cause it has L-carnitine, which supports the growth of new brain cells, and is found in abundance in soaked almonds, and a mix of nutrient-rich seeds like melon, pumpkin, and sunflower. Also, chia seeds have numerous benefits, including lower blood pressure, improved blood sugar control, and higher fiber and omega-3 levels, flaxseed powder, and a touch of cinnamon to add even more goodness to this drink. I am going to add a generous spoonful of homemade peanut butter for a creamy texture and extra protein. You can check the above link to see how to make peanut butter at home. A handful of fresh mint leaves and spinach for a refreshing twist. And to give our smoothie a delightful creamy base, let's add 100 ml of coconut milk. And let's add honey to enhance the flavors and provide a natural hint of sweetness. Give a quick mix. Let's blend everything until it's very smooth. This is protein-rich, full of fiber, and a great way to boost weight loss. I'm adding in 1 cup of cold water and continue blending until it reaches smooth consistency. Our delicious and nutritious breakfast smoothie is ready in minutes. Not only it tastes great, it's packed with health benefits. The aroma alone is so inviting. It tastes absolutely amazing with the combination of fruity sweetness, with a hint of cinnamon creating a delicious taste. We can enjoy this as a nutritious breakfast or snack. The fiber from the oats aids in digestion and keeps us feeling satisfied until our next meal. Let's take a look at the nutritional information. This smoothie is approximately 300 calories, with a good balance of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein. It's low in sugar and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for those aiming for weight loss. Plus, it's suitable for vegans and those following a gluten-free diet. So guys, do try this healthy recipe and let us know how you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And stay tuned for more healthy and inspiring videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next healthy video.